When you hear the word testosterone, you're probably thinking muscles in men, but did you know it plays a role in mental clarity and focus too? Hey everybody, I'm Rosalind. I'm one of the medical providers here at Rejuvime. Testosterone impacts key cognitive functions. Low levels of testosterone can lead to forgetfulness, brain fog, and decreased mental clarity. Think of it as fuel for your mind. Low levels can make even the easiest task feel a little more difficult. And it's not just about work. Testosterone affects your mood and motivation as well. And that's where Testosterone Replacement Therapy, or TRT, comes in. At Rejuvime Medical, we optimize your testosterone levels to improve mental clarity, make you feel sharp again, and improve your focus. Because testosterone is not just about muscles. It's about your mind, your quality of life, and your motivation. Ready to clear the fog and feel like yourself again? Let's get started today.